Welcome to another Japanese tiny house tour. Today we were exploring a beautifully designed Japanese tiny house that perfectly balances indoor comfort with the refreshing atmosphere of semi-outdoor living space. This Japanese tiny house is more than just a compact home. It's a lifestyle that encourages both relaxation and also the functionality, making it an inspiring example of small living space. One of the most unique features of this Japanese tiny house is the spacious semi-outdoor area. This terrace is not just an ordinary extension of the house, it's designed as a place where residents can relax, enjoy daily activities, sip tea, or even spend time with friends and also the family. The semi-outdoor space makes this Japanese tiny house feel open and airy, blending the indoors with the outdoors in true Japanese style. As soon as you step into this Japanese tiny house, you are welcomed by the living room. On the left side, there is a comfortable sofa facing the TV, giving you a perfect spot to unwind. But what makes this space even more special is that when you sit on the sofa, you don't just watch TV, you can also enjoy the beautifully view outside through the wide window. This clever design makes the living area in this Japanese tiny house feel much larger and brighter than its actual size. Moving further into the house, you will discover that the designers of this Japanese tiny house made excellence of the vertical space. Above the bathroom, there are two loft beds offering cozy sleeping areas while keeping the floor space clear. And for something truly unique, another loft bed has been placed above the large terrace. It not only maximizes the available space but also creates a playful and flexible design that makes this Japanese tiny house perfect for individuals, couples, or even small families. Adjacent to the living room is a mini pantry. In this Japanese tiny house, the pantry serves as a multifunctional area where you can prepare meals, brew coffee, or simply enjoy a quick snack. Even though it's compact, the pantry highlights the minimalist and efficient design philosophy of a Japanese tiny house. Every detail is intentional, proving that small space can still be highly functional and stylish. The overall design of this Japanese tiny house is about more than just saving space. It is about creating a comfortable environment that supports long-term living. The combination of a bright living room, loft beds, a practical pantry, and the inviting semi-outdoor terrace makes this Japanese tiny house feel like a complete home, not just a small shelter. What truly sets this Japanese tiny house apart is ability to make you feel connected to nature while still enjoying the comfort of modern living. The wide windows, the semi-outdoor terrace, and the efficient use of all come together to embody the essence of Japanese design. This Japanese tiny house is the perfect example. Whether you dream of downsizing, living sustainability, or simply enjoying a cozier lifestyle, this Japanese tiny house shows how smart design can completely transform the way we live.